FDA. The information you've provided about FDA Futures digital assets raises several significant red flags that are commonly associated with high risk or potentially fraudulent schemes. Guaranteed high returns. Phrases like will reach 1600, continuously increasing, and increases with time are typical of schemes promising unrealistic and guaranteed returns. Rapid price appreciation. A coin going from 10 rupees to 800 rupees in a year is extremely rapid and often unsustainable, especially without a clear underlying asset or utility. Recruitment-based growth. Everyone is busy in calling this coin more and more. That is why the rate of coin is continuously increasing, suggests a multi-level marketing. MLM or pyramid scheme structure, where growth is dependent on recruiting new participants rather than actual product or service value. Free coin giveaways with delays. Offering 125 rupees FD coin for free to claim the secret, which is delayed for 100 days continuously, and then 12,500 rupees FDA coin is given, which increases with time, sounds like a tactic to entice people with free money that is difficult to access or realize, while pushing them to invest more. Learn to make money, not earn money. This phrase is often used to imply a passive income stream that doesn't require work, which is a common hook for investment scams. High monthly salaries and asset giveaways. Claims of people take salary of lakhs of rupees on first of the month and giving asset of 12,500 for free are designed to create an illusion of easy wealth. Requirement for a sponsor for joining. This is a hallmark of MLM or pyramid schemes. Vague details on withdrawals. Whatever amount FDA collects in a month, 10% of it gets withdrawn. 10% happens is unclear and potentially misleading regarding the actual ease of withdrawing funds. Lack of regulatory information. The text mentions problem in registration in this system, which is a major red flag. Legitimate financial products and companies are registered and regulated by relevant authorities, like the FDA in the US, but not for financial assets, or SEBI in India for securities. Claim of real estate, shopping, mobile recharge, electricity from FDA coins. While some cryptocurrencies aim for real-world utility, these claims often precede the actual infrastructure being in place, particularly in schemes. Given these significant warning signs, I strongly advise extreme caution. It's crucial to be very skeptical of any investment opportunity that promises high returns with little to no risk, relies heavily on recruitment, or has opaque operational details. Always conduct thorough due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's an interesting set of statements. It sounds like you're describing an initiative by a company, perhaps an online business or a social media marketing effort. Here's a breakdown of what you've communicated. Key takeaways. Inclusive benefit. The company aims for universal benefit from its work. Multi-platform presence. They are active on all social media platforms. Regular online meetings. Daily online meetings are held at 8 p.m. IST, since you are in New Delhi, across all platforms. Call to action. Viewers are encouraged to like and share videos. Follow/subscribe. Users should subscribe to the channel and follow Nitin Mehta. It seems like Nitin Mehta might be a key figure or the owner of the channel/company. If you're looking to promote this, you've hit on some good points. Widespread reach, consistent engagement, and a clear call to action. This sounds like an exciting initiative. Here's a breakdown of what you've shared. Key highlights. Universal benefit. The core idea is that everyone should benefit from what this company is doing. This suggests a broad appeal and a positive impact. Extensive social media presence. The company is active on all social media platforms, indicating a wide reach and accessibility for their audience. Daily online meetings. There are online meetings held every night at 8 p.m. IST across all steps, likely meaning all platforms or phases of their operation. This points to consistent engagement and opportunities for interaction. Call to action. If people like the video content, they're encouraged to share it, which helps spread the word and grow the community. It seems like the company is really focused on broad accessibility and consistent communication to ensure their message and benefits reach as many people as possible.